Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You're starting now. Power down, unplug, and open the case so you can act. Once inside, remove visible dust with short bursts of compressed air while holding fan blades steady. This prevents bearing damage. Make sure the GPU is fully seated and both PCIe power cables are snug because loose connectors raise load and heat. Then, boot and enter BIOS or vendor software to confirm fan curves and default profiles. These basic steps often cut temperatures quickly and safely. Once you've confirmed seating and connectors, tackle deeper cooling. Carefully remove the GPU cooler following manufacturer guidance, then clean old thermal paste and apply a thin, even layer of quality compound to the GPU die. Reassemble and, while you're here, swap or add case fans to create a clear front-to-rear, bottom-to-top airflow path. Make sure fan direction and dust filters are correct. Effective airflow and fresh thermal paste reduce hotspot formation and lower sustained temperatures during heavy loads. Now tune and verify. Use trusted software to lower the GPU power limit, set a more aggressive fan curve, and apply a modest undervolt to reduce heat without losing performance. Run a stress test while monitoring temps and behavior. Once done, compare results and make incremental adjustments until load temps are comfortably reduced. If temperatures remain high, reseat the cooler, test the card in another PC, and inspect for failing fans or damaged VRMs. Those hardware issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.